in this game, right, like usually people will do the like meanest little trick in the book here, where they're gonna come in and they're gonna be like, you know what, I'm gonna take away this piece at the bottom. It's like, you know what, we're just gonna be really mean and we're gonna get rid of this other piece on the side here, right? You guys experience this in Jenga, where you're down to one middle piece. So, ultimate Jenga power move here. So I urge you to do this with your family. I'm gonna try to pull this piece out from the bottom. Sometimes it's your only move, right? Sometimes your tower, which I don't want to like piece this together where like I don't have a lot of options here, but I'm gonna try to pull this piece out from the bottom. Do you think that I will be able to pull this piece out successfully? What do you think is gonna happen to my Jenga tower? Well, will it work? Will it topple over? So this is our other demonstration here. Can Miss Misch pull this bottom Jenga piece out? How many people think that I can do it? Emily has faith in me. Jack, do you have faith in me? No faith. Do you have faith in me, Maria? No faith. Okay, Emily, it's good. I'm glad that I have your your faith here. Let's do this. Before I do this, should I try to pull it out really quickly or really slowly?
Really quickly.
Quick. Really quickly. Why would speed matter?
Because it's uneven.
Less force.
Less force. It's uneven. Whoa. Yeah, did speed matter for the egg?
Yes.
Speed totally mattered for the egg, right? One, the egg fell right in, just dropped straight down, and one, the other one, it just like fell over, right? So speed is really important here. Right.
Let's go.
Nervous. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Oh!
That was pretty good.
What?
That was pretty good.
That's pretty good. You do it.
That's crazy. I've never seen that.
Yeah.
Is that
Oh, yeah.
game, or do you still keep on going?
I had faith.
This is it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slam my knife down onto this book. What do you think is gonna happen to the onion?
It will go more through the knife.
It's gonna go through the knife, like it'll go down.
I don't think anything's gonna happen.
Okay, Jack still has no faith in me. Just kidding. So Jack thinks nothing will happen to the onion. No.
Wait, yeah, I think it'll come off.
Like it'll go up? Okay.
Yeah, if anything, I think it'll like pop off of it.
Well, we'll see.
I think it's gonna go deeper.
Okay, so we got 2 for fly off and 2 to go deeper. So those are pretty opposite. Maria, why do you think it'll go down further on the knife?
Well, I think if you're pulling it down, like the onion's going down, and the force of stopping, I guess it's just gonna make it go harder down. That's what I think.
Okay.
I'm thinking that the force that you give when you pull it down, and then when it hits all that force that the onion still has, will still be pushing it down, so it'll go down on the knife.
Okay, so are you nervous?
Yeah, maybe it's gonna come out. I don't know.
I'm like really nervous.
Are you more nervous for this than the Jenga tower?
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Okay, ready guys?
Yeah, I knew it.
Oh. What happened to the onion?
It's
It
way
went
down.
down.
Like buried into the hilt.
Not gonna lie, when they were talking about their reasoning, it started to make sense because like the knife is already through it.